Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down the stock market in simple words. No confusing jargon, just the basics. Let's dive in. Imagine the stock market as a giant marketplace, kind of like your local farmer's market. But instead of fruits and veggies, people are buying and selling pieces of companies. These pieces are called stocks or shares. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a small part of a company. Think of it like owning a slice of a big pie. If the company does well, that slice might get tastier and sometimes even bigger in value. So, how do these stocks get traded? Stocks are bought and sold on places called stock exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq. Here, buyers and sellers meet and agree on a price for each stock. It's very much like an auction where prices rise and fall depending on supply and demand. For example, if lots of people want to buy a stock, its price goes up because there's high demand. Conversely, if more people want to sell, the price might drop. It's all about how many people are buying versus selling. There are generally two types of approaches to the stock market. Some investors buy stocks and hold on to them for a long time, betting that the company will grow. Others try to profit from the day-to-day ups and downs by trading more frequently. Remember, while trading can be exciting, it also comes with risks. The stock market is influenced by many things: company performance, economic news, global events, and even investor emotions. That's why prices can sometimes change unexpectedly. One important tip for anyone starting out: diversification. Instead of putting all your money into one company, spread your investments across different companies and industries. That way, if one investment doesn't do well, others might help balance it out. Let's quickly recap. The stock market, a giant marketplace for buying and selling parts of companies. Stocks shares, your small piece of a company. Trading, determined by supply and demand on stock exchanges. Investment approaches, long-term holding versus active trading. Diversification, spreading out your investments to manage risk. And that's the basics of how the stock market works. I hope this simple explanation helps you feel more confident about the world of stocks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more clear and simple explanations. And drop any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.